Rachel. I am the mess maker. I am the technical director, and thank you for joining me in the back workshop for Nail or Fail. And today I am going to try to do ink-dyed coasters. DIY ink-dyed tile coasters has been on my want-to-do list for years. It's simple. You get your paws on a ceramic tile and cover it with rubbing alcohol and alcohol ink. The rubbing alcohol helps lift and move the ink around the tile to create a random watercolor pattern. The funsies really starts when you carefully set the tile on fire to change the pigment, and the flames create this awesome random ripple pattern. And really, an opportunity to set anything on fire is something I will not pass up, so let's give this a try. Okay, I guess I'm gonna take it now, and the tutorials say to kind of move it a little bit. That didn't really work. That kind of sucked. I was expecting like a big poof. Didn't get a big poof. Okay, we'll try it again. Okay. Holy crap, this is the coolest thing ever! Why did I not discover this years ago? Do you think I can quit my job and become a famous artist? Oh, I like food way too much to do that. Look at that. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say this is a nail. Like, this is such a nail. I think I really got it.
Oh, hey, Bill! Bill! Hey, look what I made! Isn't this awesome? Look what I did!
This is beautiful!
Yeah!
Was this a nail or fail?
Yes, it was. You're dead to me.